Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Now students, in this lecture we will discuss some few short important questions of the chapter tissues. So let's start. Now the first question is, define the process of differentiation. Now in a multicellular organism, cell become specialized to perform a different function. So these functions are taken up by different group of cells, that is known as tissue, and according to function these cells become morphologically different. So this phenomena is known as differentiation. Now what happened? In the beginning, cell divide. Once the cell division is over, then what happens? Cells are differentiated. Group of cells, they assemble together to perform a definite function. That is differentiation. Define tissue. What is the utility of tissue in multicellular organism? Tissue are the group of similar cells performing similar functions. Okay, in living organism, the cells are grouped together to perform specific functions. That is the utility of tissue in multicellular organism. Next question, mention characteristic of permanent tissue. So the few characteristic of permanent tissue are, the first is they are large, thick or thin walled both. Cytoplasm is present as a layer along the cell wall. Nucleus is relatively small. Large central vacuole is present and they lack the power of cell division. Next question, mention the function of nervous tissue. Now nervous tissue, the main functions are they conduct nerve impulse from one part of the body to another. Next, they also receive stimuli from the outside environment and send the message to the brain and spinal cord. Okay. Now next question. Animal of colder region and fishes of colder water have a thick layer of cutaneous fat. Explain why. Because the thick layer of fat act as an insulator, so it prevents the heat to release in the surroundings. Hence it keeps the body warm. So that's why they have a fat layer. Next question, water hyacinth floats on water surface. Explain. So water hyacinth floats on the surface of the water due to the presence of parenchyma. They have the parenchymatous tissue with the air filled in it, that is known as parenchyma. It is a modified form of parenchyma which contain air cavities. It provides buoyancy which help water hyacinth in floating. Next, name the two types of vascular tissue. So as you all know, there are two types of vascular tissues which are present in plant, that is xylem and phloem. Xylem is responsible for the conduction of water and mineral from roots to the different parts of the plant, and phloem is responsible for the conduction of food from leaves to all the parts of the plant. Next, what is the utility of tissue in multicellular organism? So in multicellular organism, the division of labor is present. That means that different parts of the body, they perform specific function. For example, brain controls all the parts of the body, heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body, kidney, they remove waste material from the body, sense organs, they collect information from external sources, and all these functions would never be possible without the formation of tissues in multicellular organism. So specific function is allotted to the group of tissues. This is only known as division of labor. Next, how many types of elements are present in phloem? Phloem is composed of 4 elements, as you all know. First is sieve tube, that is responsible for the conduction of food material. Next, companion cells, it helps sieve tube in conduction because it contains nucleus. So sieve tubes are always associated with companion cells only. So please remember this. Phloem parenchyma helps in storage. Phloem fiber provide mechanical support. Now the last question. Give 3 features of cardiac muscles. Now the first is they are involuntary, that means they don't work under our will. Its cells are cylindrical, branched, striated and uninucleate. And next, it shows rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout the person's life. So this is all. Hope you all have liked questions. So this is all, student. Thank you everyone.